Now that you're finished inserting your keyboard shortcuts in your 1.0 artifacts document, we're going to continue on to slide 11 and learn about the accessibility options. Basically, accessibility options are ways that you can change and customize the way your Chromebook looks and feels to meet your specific student needs. We're going to access our accessibility options by going all the way to the bottom where the time is, click the time, and then select the gear settings icon. A new menu will pop up, and we're going to search for accessibility. The accessibility options will show up. We want them on. We want to manage, so we're going to click this right arrow, and then we see all kinds of different options here. Text-to-speech, can change display settings, high contrast mode, magnifier, device settings, appearance settings, all kinds of different options for you that you can peruse to customize your machine to fit your needs. Let's go ahead and stop here, and you're going to complete the accessibility options screenshots in the 1.0 artifacts document. In our artifacts document, the screenshot requirement for accessibility is you're going to open the accessibility options that we just had opened and simply make a large screenshot of your accessibility options menu. Go ahead and insert that screenshot here.